Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sign up for Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to sign up for Temu, what you need to do first is, of course, go to the Temu main page or download the Temu app. Now, I'm already in my account, so I'll just sign out for the moment. And now, if you want to create an account, you need to click here on sign in and register. You'll be prompted to log in or to register on the mobile app as well. So just click on this, and as you'll see, you'll be able to register or sign in with another account. And now you need to enter your email or phone number. Once you do that, then you'll be prompted to enter your new password and possibly to verify that it is your email. And once you're done with that, your account will be pretty much set up. Now you can also use your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account, and you should be able to create accounts with that. I set up this account with my Google account, so you can freely use that. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You just need to enter all the needed information. You will have some optional information to enter, such as your phone number, which you are not 100% required to enter. But yeah, once you enter everything that's asked of you, and possibly again verify your account, that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.